Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Present Tech. Today I have here the brand new Sony MDR XB30EX stereo headphones with extra bass. So let's have a look. The box design looks pretty cool, unlike most of the other earphones. Let's have a look at the features mentioned on the box. As you can see, the features of the earphones are mentioned here. You may pause the video to have a detailed look. These earphones comes with a warranty of 1 year, which is a good thing. So let's get started. These earphones comes with some accessories. 4 pairs of earbuds are provided according to the user's convenience, small, medium or large. There is also a clip provided to attach these earphones with your shirt for more convenience. It also comes with a small carrying pouch. As you can see, the design of the earplugs are pretty damn unique and it fits easily in the ears. The left and right earplug can be differentiated easily with the L and R side. It also comes with active noise cancellation, so you pretty much can't hear any outside noise with these on. These earphones have a power handling capacity of 100 megawatt and impedance of 16 ohm at 1 kHz and sensitivity of 105 decibels per megawatt. The cord is 1.2 meter long of Y type, so it's not going to be a problem if you decide to use this with your PC or laptop. The build quality of the cord also seems very good and unique, making it tangle proof, so it won't get tangled easily if you keep it in your pocket, purse or bag. The plug is gold plated and L shaped, thus making it corrosion proof. It looks pretty good too. I myself am a bass lover, so I will say that this is an amazing earphone with awesome bass quality. You can actually feel the beats of the song clearly. When you plug this in your ears, it totally boycotts external unwanted noise and provides pure sound to your ears. The quality of the sound is also very clear and great. You can't actually hear anything going on outside if you are hearing this in maximum volume. The only demerit about this earphone is it doesn't come with an inbuilt microphone, but the phone's microphone will be on, so you can speak directly into the phone while the earphones are plugged. These earphones are priced approximately around 1900 rupees online, but the prices may vary on various sites. You can easily find them on Amazon or Flipkart or any other website. So finally I want to say that it's a great earphone, totally worth the price and actually provides amazing bass quality as mentioned. The quality of the sound is also very good. I will suggest this to all those who want good bass quality and clear sound. Thank you guys, hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.